Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you in this video how to convert MBR partition to GPT partition without losing your data. So you're not going to lose your data. Before beginning to this video, consider subscribing my channel for more tech videos. Before converting MBR partition to GPT partition, let me tell you why we need GPT partition most of the time. Well, if we are on MBR partition, our system restricts us in some ways. We mostly face problem when install Windows using bootable USB flash drive. Our system restricts us and we face such error. Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition. Windows can only be installed to GPT partition. That's why we mostly need GPT partition of our hard disk. If we are on GPT partition, we have an ability to create more than 4 primary partitions. Let me show you. I have 3 hard disks on my PC and all of them are MBR partition. Right click on your hard disk, click on properties, select volumes. It will show you your partition style. So my all hard disks have MBR partition style. So I cannot create more than 4 primary partitions on all of these hard disks. So I first need to convert my MBR partition of my hard disk to GPT partition. So we mostly prefer GPT partition in order to create more than 4 partitions on any single hard disk. In MBR partition, you get limit of 2 TB storage. Well, if you are on GPT partition, you have no restriction and limit for 2 TB storage, unlike you normally face on MBR partition. So that's why we mostly prefer to have GPT partition. Now I'm gonna show you how to convert MBR partition to GPT partition absolutely free without losing your data. First you need to visit this website, get into PC and get this software that is full version. You can free download and install it on your device. I am not downloading because I have already downloaded and installed on my system. After installation, you have to simply open this software. Its main interface will be seems like this. It has a lot of options here. It will show you all of the hard disks of your system. I have 3 hard disks on my system and all of these hard disks are MBR partition. If you want to convert any of your hard disks from MBR to GPT, right click on that hard disk. Here you will see an option convert to GPT. So in this way you will be able to convert your hard disk from MBR to GPT partition without losing your data. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any question, you may leave your comments below, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.